Hello all. So today we're going to be practicing context clues. I have chosen one of my favorite books ever, Harry Potter, in order to show you how I would do this. So this is a random paragraph that should not matter where in the text we are to be able to use context clues as long as we have some words around it. Raindrops the size of bullets thundered on the castle windows for days on end. The lake rose, the flower beds turned into mighty streams, and Hagrid's pumpkins swelled to the size of garden sheds. Oliver Wood's enthusiasm for regular training sessions, however, was not dampened, which was why Harry was to be found late one stormy Saturday afternoon, a few days before Halloween, returning to Gryffindor Tower, drenched to the skin and splattered with mud. Now, I want to look at this word dampened. I see that there's raindrops, and they're thundering on the castle windows, so raindrops can't actually thunder. So I'm going to look at this as number 1, and this is number 2. Number 1, if I were to put that in my own words, I'd probably say they were loud. So they thundered on the castle windows. I'm going to try plugging it in. Raindrops the size of bullets thundered on the castle. Raindrops the size of bullets loud on the castle windows. Makes sense. So for number 2, I'm going to look. Wood's enthusiasm for regular training sessions, however, was not dampened. Well, we're not actually talking about rain with his enthusiasm. Your enthusiasm cannot be the same thing as rain. But it was not dampened, so no something. Which is why Harry was to be found coming in all soaking wet and splattered. So I'm going to try thinking that he was not dampened, maybe not stopped or not slowed down. So, however, he was not slowed down, which is why Harry was to be found. However, he was not stopped, which was Harry to be found. So his enthusiasm was not dampened. I'm going to say it was not stopped or lessened. Cool. So let's consider what are the 3 things I did there to be successful. Number 1, I read around the word. Number 2, I tried plugging it in. Because sometimes plugging it in, it just either makes sense or it doesn't make sense. Simple as that. And 3, I made the best choice. If you do these things, you will be successful with any context clues, which we will practice today.